Consequences of global warming. Global warming is a continual rise in the Earth's temperature. This rise is largely caused due to the emission of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. Several evidences given by the scientists prove that the Earth's temperature is rising, more so after the 1950s. Human activities over the last few decades have led to the warming of the climate system on the planet, and it is being predicted that in the 21st century the global surface temperature is likely to go up further. This rise in the temperature is having a negative impact on the life on Earth. Here is a detailed look at the consequences of global warming. Effect on the climatic conditions. Global warming has led to a change in the precipitation pattern in different regions across the globe. As a result of this, while certain regions are experiencing drought-like situation, others are facing floods. This way the wet areas are becoming wetter and the dry ones are getting drier. Increase in temperature is also giving way to storms, cyclones, heat waves and wildfires, among other changes in the atmosphere. Many regions on Earth are experiencing extreme weather conditions as a result of global warming, and the problem is expected to aggravate in future. Effect on the sea. The global sea level has risen over the 20th century. There are two key reasons for this rise in the sea level. One is the thermal expansion that occurred due to the warming of the ocean water, and second is the increased melting of the land-based ice. It is being predicted that there will be a considerable rise in the sea level in the times to come. The continued rise in the sea level is a major threat to the life in the coastal and low-lying areas. Effect on the environment. The overall environment of the Earth has been adversely affected due to global warming. This rise in temperature worsens the air pollution further by raising the level of ground-level ozone, which is formed when the smoke emitted by factories, cars and other sources comes in contact with heat and sunlight. Increased air pollution has led to various health problems, and the condition is worsening by the day. Effect on life on the Earth. The increase in temperature, erratic climatic conditions and rise in the air and water pollution has impacted the life on Earth badly. The frequent floods, droughts and cyclones have taken away several lives, and the increasing level of pollution is causing several health problems. Similar to human beings, many other species of animals as well as plants are unable to cope up with the changing weather. The rapid changes in the climatic conditions on the land as well as sea are having a negative impact on them. The extinction rate of animals and plants has risen. As per researchers, many species of birds, mammals, reptiles, fishes and amphibians have disappeared because of the increasing level of pollution and changes in the climate. Effect on agriculture. Agriculture has been worst affected due to the erratic rainfall pattern formed as a result of global warming. Many areas are experiencing frequent drought-like situation while others are receiving heavy rainfall and floods. This is not only affecting the people living in those areas but is having adverse effect on the crops too. Agricultural lands are losing their fertility and the crops are being damaged. Conclusion. Global warming is a serious concern. Its repercussions are devastating. Carbon emission needs to be controlled immediately in order to lower the consequences of global warming. This can be done if each and every individual contributes his/her bit towards the cause.